Hi, this video shows you how to make vinegared rice for sushi. For making 400 grams of vinegared rice, we use 200 grams of sushi rice, 240 ml of water and 30 ml of sushi vinegar. We use sushi rice and sushi vinegar included in Yarubei sushi making kit. First, put the rice in a bowl and wash under the tap with your hand. This is to remove starch from the surface of the rice. Drain and repeat twice more. Next, put the rice in a pot and add the water. Shake the pot gently to even out the rice. Put the lid on and cook on a very low heat for 20 minutes. During cooking, never remove the lid. After 20 minutes, stop the heat, keep the lid on and leave to steam for 10 minutes. Finally, put the cooked rice in a large bowl, add the sushi vinegar and mix with the spatula. Use the spatula as if cutting through the rice rather than mashing it. Cool the rice using a hand fan. Turn the rice over with the spatula. Take care not to mash the rice. Repeat fanning and mixing the rice twice more. Now you've got vinegared rice ready for sushi making.